abductors, constructors become infected, vexed by an alien virus, so alien, so viral. Living space apes, creatures covered in writhing tentacles, stimulating the audio nerve directly when you want to come flex with me. Hallucinating senses individually, insidiously, or in any combination, rhythmically. Shifting gears, focus upon intensity. We big people at all, nobody try to fuck with our man clarity. Mind starts slipping to familiar tracks, bending, warping, interfering with the facts. Sensory language leaves us with no habit for lying. We are hostile aliens, immune from dying. Me for not behaving correct. I only want to slide my arm around your neck. Interpretation, electrochemical stimulation. The sensations you feel is entirely real. All that we share is a struggle for silence. When I arms out business, no shooting, no violence. Sensory language to snake like a limb. Flexible, versatile, curious like twins. Transparent in the way that it moves, with sufficient memory to cut clean.